Super damn happy. Got a new kill switch and starter motor relay. So she's all ready to go, man. All ready to go, go, go. I like my new gloves, they're pretty cool. Wish I had a coffee right now, I'm fucking... Actually, I'm not too cold. My arms are going to be cold, but my body should be fine. Oh, I'm so glad to have her back, guys. It's been like a week since it's been in there, so I missed a lot of nice weather to ride in. But, you know, now I'm back and it's pretty much fucking winter. I do want to get your opinion on a video, though. It's not one of mine. It's one I saw online, actually. It's of a guy filtering. I won't say any more. I'll just drop the video in now, and you guys let me know what you think of it.
Dick, you have a cross. Fuck's sake.
You alright, mate? So, the comments and like the title, when I saw it, they were blaming the van driver. Now, I'm nearly always behind bikers on stuff, and I'm pretty pro-police on a lot of things. But I mean, in this instance, I'm pretty sure it was the biker's fault. He kind of looks at the van driver as if like, you know, what are you doing? But like, the van driver's in his lane. He hasn't deviated from it. Yeah, you're allowed to filter, but at the same time, that's your judgment call to make sure it's safe to do so. Now, for those of you who ride bikes and filter, you'll know that going up beside two stationary cars, say if that black BMW was beside that lorry right now, that is the most dangerous time to filter. You would wait until one is in front of the other, slightly like that. You wouldn't go and filter when they're right in the middle, because if one breaks, you've got parts of the other car that are going to start pushing you out, like wing mirrors and bigger bits on the other side. So you take that on board, and you know, you're really cautious. Whereas I don't think this biker had thought about that. Yeah, he looked like an older guy, so he's probably been riding a while. Like, that's an assumption, he might not have. But, you know, you would just not do that. You would think, fuck, that's a dangerous position to put myself in. Don't do it. But he goes and does it and gets knocked off. You know, I don't think he has anyone else to blame apart from himself. But that's my opinion. Oh, this is something else new I got. It's like a leg bag. Wow, these houses are old. I've never seen them before. And the gloves, I think I should have got a size bigger because they're a little bit tight. Maybe I'll wear them in, but I do have big hands and big feet, as I am 6'4". Yeah, so the bag's quite cool. It's not huge. I can fit 2 GoPros, center, all my batteries, my cable and my wiring, that all goes in there perfectly. Yeah, that's cool. So I got a wire pipe which eliminates the catalytic converter, which means the engine and exhaust should sound so much nicer. I will be doing a video of that install when I'm all ready to do so. I've also got a quick shifter as well. That's all at my house actually, yeah. Everything's turned up. The wire pipe is full titanium. It's beautiful. It's got such like this goldeny blue colour to it. It's so nice. Yeah, so I would like, as we were talking about filtering, I would never take this taxi and van if we were riding. I would wait until there was a gap. It's just too dangerous to do so. Everyone's going to be looking at me going, that arsehole, he needs proper gear. I'm in like a tracksuit, a jumper. I've moaned about people before doing this, but unfortunately I couldn't pick my gear up, because usually I just pick it up from where I keep my bike. You fucking bellend. Cheers, bruv. But I couldn't do that today, so I had to get the train in and pick it up that way. And obviously you can't sit on the train in full levers, you'll look like a tit. Yes, I'm looking forward to getting this this wipe pipe done and flowing up some air into the engine. It's so hot, man. So much heat from these fans. The fans are huge, there's two up the front. They kick back so much heat away from that radiator. I mean, they do a great job, it's just the bike is a very hot bike. Oh, really bad at computers. Oh yeah, look at that. Sick. That's on fire, man. Fucking hell. He needs to clean his air filter or his car is blown up. One or the other. I'm gonna smell that any second now. What is that? That's clutch. That's the clutch, yep. That's fucked. Oh man, that stinks like shit.
Bye, have a great time.